Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to talk to you and I'm going to explain to you step by step on how to set up a professional Google ads. So the first thing you have to do right now is jump on your browser, type keyword planner. Once you type your keyword planner, immediately what you will see is this. You will see Google keyword planner. Then you click on this. So the next thing you are going to see, I will show you. I'm clicking on it now just for you to see what I'm saying. Once you click on this, you wait for a few seconds. So I'm now currently there. So I will shift off this thing a little bit higher for you to see what I want to see. So do you see this, guys? This sign in. You click on sign in because you don't have an account. So you have to click on create account. Once you click on sign in. Do you understand, guys? Good. So guys, I already added my own account. So once you click on create account, there are actually few questions, then you jump and start immediately. So the first thing now is your business name. What is your brand name? That is what you need here. If you want to run a Google ad for your buyers brand name is what you're going to put here, guys. So my brand name, then I'm going to click on next. So now my website is my YouTube channel. So I will copy and paste my YouTube channel link here. Regarding whatever you want to run the ads on, if it is a store link, if it is a website link, anything, just make sure you copy the link and paste it down here in this website bar. I'm coming. So guys, I already added my YouTube link here. So I'm going to click on next. Scanning your website, learn about your business, get suggestions. So guys, YouTube channel, as you can see, kindly subscribe, like and comment in the comment section. If you wish to say anything regarding this video, I will appreciate it, and kindly share it with your friends also. So this is how it's going to show on mobile and this is how it will show on desktop. Do you understand, guys? Good. So you scroll down, do you see this next bar? Click on this next button. So guys, there are 4 types of ads that you can run on Google. Get more calls, regardless of the business you want to do. Get more website sales and leads. This is what you do for your buyers. If you want to boost their store conversion and their store visibility fast and good, so you click on this. Get more visits to your physical location. So that's what the third one is, and get more views and engagement on YouTube. That's exactly what I want to run ads on right now. So you click on next. Few minutes more, please, guys. It's going to load. Okay, good. So now this is what I'm going to run my ads on. What do you want to focus on? It is 2 options that are here. Drive video views and traffic to a website. Drive video views and engagement with your channel. This is what I want to do. So guys, I need to paste my YouTube video link again. So I will go now to copy the video link. Okay, for all YouTubers, I also want to do the same thing for your YouTube channel. So you go to your video here, click on these 3 dots. You see this share button. Click on this share button. Then you copy the video link. Then go back to your Google. So guys, I'm pasting the video now. The video link down. So do you see this, guys? I hope you see this. I hope you are seeing this. So this is how it has. This is the preview of the ads on mobile, and this is the preview of the ads on desktop. Do you understand, guys? Very good. Stay tuned and keep watching. So in this first section, I need to enter a description line 1 and description line 2 to proceed to the next page. So I will add that now. So guys, in the description line 1 and line 2, I added the same thing because I will also want to use the same thing. But if it is a buyer project or your own video also, you also add different description in both lines. Well, this is what I want to use. Then I'll click on next. So now here we go. This is where you had your location. So you had, okay, I want to add Germany. Now I'm clicking Germany, then Spain. Mostly I want to target my video mostly to European countries. Then I want to target places like Italy, then USA and UK. So guys, these are the 6 targeted audience I added in my ads: Germany, Spain, Italy, Arizona, USA, United Kingdom and Canada. So as you can see guys, the impression here is different, and I'm going to be getting 1.1k to 3k views once I publish these ads. So whichever language you want to add, I'm targeting some European countries, so I need like to target Dutch and English, but mostly now I want to add German. There are some like Germany, they speak German, so good. So you see Dutch and German, I've added it there. Italian, like I'm also targeting Italy. So this ad will show in that language to the audience. So that's all. If you want to add more languages, you click on it here. Then the next thing now is, as you can see guys, we are done setting up this aspect. Click on next. So in this place, if you want to select the age you want to see your ads, everything here I'm okay with it. So I'm going to click on next. So guys, in this aspect, this video that I want to run ads on is social media. How to run Twitter ads successfully in 2023. That's what the video is all about. So you must specialize what you want to do before you start thinking of how to run the ad. So social media matters. Social media. So guys, we're good to go. I have added social media here. Then I'm going to scroll down now. You see, this is the cost per click, but I can also change it. So you click on next, and I want you to take note, Google Ads is working on this PPC, pay per click. Every click, every view, everything you get, you pay for them all. So here it's asking for example, your buyer is in Australia. So you click the currency, then you had a daily ad budget. For example, I'm running this ad. For example, I'm running to a buyer, like the buyer is from Australia. So my daily ad budget is $5. So you see this, don't make this mistake before publishing an ad. Please guys, don't make this mistake. Do you see this? Run continuously. Don't put it run continuously. When you told your buyer that you want to run the ad for 7 days, you have to follow the thing you tell the brand. So today is 8, so I'm going to add, let me just say 10 days. I'm going to run the ad for 10 days. So I pick February. Sorry, there's a mistake there. Yeah, okay. Today is 25, so I'm going to click on 31. Okay, good. So now the next thing is to click on next. So guys, this is preview of my campaign. Do you see this guys? This is how my campaign is going to look like. As you can see, the language, the targeted audience, everything is added here and here. The age, interest, daily ad budget, you see. So guys, the next thing now, I'm very sure it's going to be linking of payment methods. So this is where you have to instruct your buyer to log in to the Google Ads and link their payment method there. Thank you very much for watching. I'm not really publishing the ads right now, but I want you to see how everything works, and I'll really appreciate it if you keep coming back to my videos every day. So do you see guys, this is how everything works. Once you are done, then you click on submit. Once you submit, it's going to take almost up to 24 hours for your ads to go live on Google. Once your ad is live, you start seeing the impressions and you start seeing the insight and analytics of everything. So thank you very much. I really appreciate your time. Kindly turn on the notification bell and kindly subscribe, kindly like this video, comment, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you.